Hi friends, I am Coderboy and today we will make a fun game, rock, paper, scissors. Now here is how the game works. Rock beats scissors, scissor beats paper and paper beats rock. And if both players choose the same thing, it's a tie. Today we will teach these rules to Python. Let's get started. First we need to import the random module. Type import random. We need random because the computer will choose its move by itself. Now let's make a list of choices. Type choices equals open square bracket and inside quotes type rock, comma paper, comma scissors and close the square bracket. Now Python has all the three moves stored inside one list. Now we want the computer to pick one move from this list. Type computer equals random.choice open bracket choices close bracket. This line tells Python to pick one random item from the choices list. The computer might pick rock or paper or scissors. We do not know which one it will choose and that's make the game fun. Now it's the player turns. Type user equals input and inside quote and brackets type rock, paper or scissors question mark. This line asks the player to type a move. Now we have two moves. The computer's move is stored inside computer and the player's move is stored inside user. Now we need to compare them and decide who wins. First we check if both choices are same. Type if users double equals computer colon on the indented line type print open bracket type inside quote tie both chose comma computer close bracket. Computer is our variable and it will show what option did the computer choose. So if the user and computer pick the same move, Python prints a tie message. Now we need to check if the player wins. There are three ways the player can win. Rock beats scissors, paper beats rock and scissors beats paper. So we write one big else if condition. Type else if user equals rock and computer equals scissor. Then we add or. That means we are checking another winning case. Our condition is quite long, so we use a backslash. The backslash tells Python the line is not finished yet, keep reading on the next line. So let's add the second winning case, user equals paper and computer equals rock. Then we add or again and another backslash and now we add the third winning case, user equals scissors and computer equals paper. Then we add a colon and on the indented line type print open bracket inside the quotes type you win computer chose comma computer close bracket. Great. Now we need the last case. If it's not a tie and the player did not win, then the computer wins. So type else colon and on the indented line type print open bracket inside the quotes type computer wins it chose comma computer that will show what computer chose and close bracket. Nice. Python now knows all the rules of rock paper scissors. Let's play. When Python asks rock paper or scissors, let's type rock. The computer will pick its own move. Then Python will compare both moves. If both moves are same, it says tie. If you win, it says you win. And if the computer wins, it says computer wins. Now sometimes you win, sometimes the computer wins, and sometimes it's a tie. That is what makes it feel like a real game. Let's look at what we used today. We used a list to store the three moves. We used random.choice to pick the computer's move. We used input to ask the player's move. We used if, else if and else to check for the winning cases. Now that is real game logic. You just taught Python the rules of a game. Now Python can play rock, paper, scissors with you. Try building this game yourself, then play it to see who wins. In the next video, we will make another fun project. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.